If you are looking for a natural and quick drink to lose belly fat at home without strict diet or exercise, this fat burner drink is the perfect choice for you. The first ingredient is lemons. Lemons are known to help you lose weight, thanks to the presence of vitamin C and antioxidants that promote good digestion. Lemons also have diuretic properties, which help in detoxifying the body, thereby helping burning fat. According to experts, this magic potion can boost the body's metabolism to a great extent. For losing weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. A person with a faster and higher metabolism uses more calories to perform all of its required functions than a person with a lower metabolism. We are going to need 1 lemon. Squeeze it in a bowl. Cut the lemon peel into small pieces. Put the lemon peels in a saucepan and keep the lemon juice aside. The second ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon helps you lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. Antimicrobial, antiparasitic properties of cinnamon make it one of the healthiest spices of all time. It helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, boosts insulin function and metabolism as well. Add 1 stick of cinnamon. Add 1/2 liter of water. Bring to a boil. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Set aside for 5 minutes to cool. Strain the drink. Discard the rest of ingredients. Stir in the freshly squeezed lemon juice that we had previously prepared. This drink can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. The last ingredient is optional and is natural honey. As per a study published in Journal of the American College of Nutrition, honey curbs appetite. Consuming honey right before bedtime can help you burn more calories during the early hours of sleep. This ingredient is enriched with essential vitamins, minerals and healthy fats as well. Essential hormones in honey suppress appetite and enable the body to burn fat. You can sweeten the drink with natural honey. Add 1/2 teaspoon of honey to each cup. How to take the drink. Drink 1 cup in the morning, 1/2 hour before breakfast, and 1 cup before dinner. Continue to drink this recipe on a daily basis for 1 week. This video is purely educational, but hopefully you're 1 step closer to bettering your overall health and, as a result, your general quality of life. If that's the case, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you very much for sticking with me all the way to the end, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.